Hello friends, myself Sandeep Gadge and most welcome to my YouTube channel PharmaBite. Today we will discuss purified water system validation. Water is widely used substance in the pharmaceutical industry. Validate the reliability and robustness of a system and its performance. A three-phase approach should be used over an extended period of time. After installation of PNID, phase 1 should be started. Phase 1. Phase 1 should cover a period of at least 2 weeks. Water system should be monitored intensively for its performance. Water system should operate continuously without failure or performance deviation. In this phase, chemical and microbiological testing should be done as per approved specification. Sampling and testing of raw water should be done to monitor its quality. Sampling after each step should be done daily. Ensure the production of required quantity of purified water. Alert and action limit should be verified. Phase 2. Phase 2 should cover a period of at least 2 weeks to monitor the water system intensively. Use and refine the standard operating procedures (SOPs) for operation, maintenance, sanitization, and troubleshooting. The system should be monitored while deploying all the refined SOPs after the satisfactory completion of phase 1. The sampling program should be the same as in phase 1. Water can be used for manufacturing provided that both commissioning and phase 1 data demonstrate the appropriate water quality and the practice is approved by QA. Demonstrate consistent operation within established ranges. Demonstrate consistent production and delivery of water of the required quantity and quality when the system is operated in accordance with the SOPs. Phase 3. It should cover at least a further 12 months after the satisfactory completion of phase 2. The sample locations, sampling frequencies, and tests may be reduced to the normal routine pattern based on the established procedures proven during phase 1 and phase 2. Purified water can be used during this phase. Example, for manufacturing and cleaning. Each sampling point should be covered at least once in 15 days. The objective of this phase to demonstrate a reliable performance over an extended period of time and to ensure that seasonal variations are evaluated. After completion of the qualifications and validation program of phase 3, a system review should be undertaken. This may include the trending of results and the evaluation of system performance capability. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel PharmaBite. Please like, share and subscribe.